Hi guys, welcome to Melting Pot. I'm your Reshma here. Today we'll be looking at types of leash that's suitable for your fur babies and how do you attach it together. Let's go.
So this is called a chain collar. If you are still training your dog and they have some behavioral problem where they tend to pull the leash when they walk and all that, so this chain will help you to keep them under control. So it's very easy. First, you have to choose a chain that is suitable for your dog. Now there's 13 different sets of locks here, so it's very easy to fix it. First, you take one end and you put it inside the circle on the other end. So basically this depends on the size of your dog's neck. Just pull it out, put it around your dog's neck and tie it to a leash. This is the type of leash that you might want to get for your dog. This leash is made up of steel and is covered with cloth. If your dog is a bigger size dog, from mongrel and above, then you can get them this kind of chain. If they are small breeds, I don't suggest you to get them this kind of chain because it will strain their neck. And if you see this chain is actually long, so if you're getting a new chain, I would suggest you to get a shorter one, and it will be easier for you to train them to walk and sit and all that. Longer chain will make them go around and wander around.
That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching Melting Points. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and follow all our social media pages. Links provided in the description below too. Have a great day and see you soon.